offers a unique dining experience. Founded in 1994 by chef Kunio Ichinose in Tokyo, Japan, Pepper Lunch has grown to over 500 locations across Japan, Asia, Australia, and America. While known for steaks and pepper rice, the menu also includes options like pasta. Sizzle it your way is Pepper Lunch's core concept revolving around DIY teppanyaki. Customers are served raw meat, vegetables, and rice or pasta on a very hot iron plate heated to 260 degrees C. Diners then cook the ingredients to their preferred doneness right at their table, stirring and mixing them with a choice of sauces.
Dito sa side na to. Medyo narinig ko na yung artist's name kanina. Pero...
Wait lang, katahimikan. Sige. Ano? Botted Zoo is...